Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Canva Magic Write. So, what you need to do first, launch the Canva application. Here I'm using the Canva website, and then choose this doc type. Click on this doc size. Okay, so now what you need to do is just click on this Magic Write options at the top of the canvas, and then just describe the writing that you want to create. For example, I'm here going to just uh, describe, let's just generate 5 tips for staying productive as a stay at home mom. Okay, you can click on Control plus Enter or tap on this Generate button. Now Canva will show you the result. You can see in here. If you want to insert it into the document, you can tap on Insert or Enter on your keyboard. And now this is the writing from the Magic Write. If you want to modify it again, you can do so by double click the things that you want to change, or you can also edit the font, the size, or the color, the text color. You can adjust the size of the tag itself or change the font. For example, I'm going to change it into this more sugar font. That's it. That's how you can use Magic Write on Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.